Friends, I had a person the other day ask how this had turned out. They'd seen a video where I'd taken the creeping juniper up and put these rocks down. Gosh, it's been a year and a half or so ago, and it was winter and there were no leaves on trees or anything. And they just wondered how the plants and all had turned out. Was it still doing well? I thought I'd just show you. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. The plants that Nikki bought, and folks, I don't pretend to remember what the names of all these plants are because Nikki chose them. I do know that we got hydrangeas over here, but as you can see, that's sedum, I'm sure, there. All these things have spread, and I don't know if the dogwood tree even had leaves on it last time you saw the video. I'm going to share clips from the previous video where I, by hand, got all this creeping juniper up off of this, but this is what it looks like now. It's been beautiful. It's really nice, and got our Japanese maples are out. That's my favorite tree. I just think they're beautiful. So we got dogwood here, and it blooms. It's pink dogwood. It's really pretty, and I think the hydrangeas are really gorgeous. She gets out and feeds them once in a while, and yeah, we got a few weeds. There's a little clover and stuff coming up in spots. And I don't really bother the clover so much, but I spray for weeds. Once in a while you get something kind of like this little mess coming up here at the sidewalk. That stuff, is that some sort of herb? It smells great. But anyway, yeah, that's what it looks like. It's done really well, and all the plants that Nikki picked out to go in there have prospered. And we've not had much of a problem with weeds. It's way nicer than when we had the juniper. I hated that stuff. And it got snakes in it. it was a nightmare, kind of. And the little birdhouse we have over here, we've had bluebirds. Nikki cleaned the nest out this past week. We've had bluebirds though live in that little birdhouse there. Folks, hey brother. I thought I would just share that with you, that yes, that's been a pretty good success, putting rocks down and ground cover underneath it and getting rid of the creeping juniper. I thought I'd show you what it looks like all greened up. So here we are, it's Valdez, North Carolina. It's June 5th, 2024. Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to the channel if you like.